Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile 757. Just worked on a customer's vehicle. It was a Dodge, and he did his own diagnostic of wanting me to change the fuel pump. And I asked him 2 to 3 times, "Are you sure this is the issue?" I've been doing this for over 30 years. I knew it wasn't the fuel pump. So I showed the customer through the fuel rail, there's fuel coming out of it. I also turned the key for the 5-second noise of the fuel pump pumping for a couple seconds. And then I showed him through the fuel rail that it is pumping fuel. The purpose of this whole entire video is that if I didn't really care about people, I would have just did whatever he asked me to do, and it would never fix his problem. So now he's paying $200, $300, $400 for absolutely nothing. And I just did a diagnostic. He finally agreed it was not his fuel pump. He jumped timing. My point of my story is, if you're not sure and you don't have a diagnostic machine, or you're just guessing, have a professional to actually look at your vehicle. I'm hoping whoever you get a hold of actually is going to do the diagnostic versus just changing parts and wasting your money and time. I actually care about my customers. Our slogan is people before profit. Though he needs another engine, I just wanted to point of the video is get a diagnostic. Pay for the diagnostic, let somebody check it out for you, and then you know exactly what needs to be fixed instead of just throwing parts at it. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and please leave some good quality comments. Thank you.